Express yourself, don't express yourself. Express yourself, don't repress 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 yourself. Hey, I'm not sorry. I'm sorry. It's human nature. Hey, I'm not sorry. Sorry. I'm not a bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Won't you let me say the words I love to say? You did not want to see life through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You try to show your back inside your neck and silence it with the bitterness and dies. Did I say something wrong? Perhaps I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't be speaking mine. And I'm not sorry, sorry. It's a human nature. I'm not sorry, sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. You punish me or telling on my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make. Express yourself and repress it. You took my words and making Travis a silly fool. You held me down and tried making me break. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I'm talking about sexy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. And I'm not sorry, sorry. It's a human nature. And I'm sorry, sorry. I'm not a bitch or hang your shit on me. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sexy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. And I'm not sorry, sorry. It's a human nature. And I'm not sorry, sorry. I'm not your picture hanger chicken. And I'm not sorry, sorry. It's a human nature. And I'm not sorry, sorry. I'm not your killer. 'Cause I'm not sorry.